Good morning, kids and parents. Here is the reading tutorial for your next homework assignment that you can use to help you to read the sentences that you have in your homework folder. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Sh is ship. Sh of shop. Sh egg shake. So it becomes sheep, shop, shake. Number 2. R each rich. L lunch lunch. M much. Rich lunch much. Number 3. Is B ath bath. Cloth cloth. Teeth bath cloth. Number 4. Ale whale. White whale white. Number 5. Auto photo. Own phone. Photo phone. Number 6 until number 15, I will read them only once, but I will read them slowly. Okay, ready, go. Number 6. She holds the photo of flag and flower. She puts them in a frame near the black clock. Number 7. The brave brown crows cross in front of the plane. Number 8. The price of drum and trumpet are not cheap. Finally, I win the prize, so I grab them fast. Number 9. They like to smell the sweet snack on the stove. They begin to get sick and reports to the king. Number 10. Ralph has lunch in a big fish and took photo with a new cloth. Number 11. Dave bakes the cake and saves the date not to be late to play the games. Number 12. 9 limes are sour. Mike needs time to bite it, so I just hide them near the pine. Number 13. The rose, cone, bone, and hose are put in a hole, and I use rope to tie them up. Number 14. In June, I have tube, cube, and fuse. Then I love to tune in a dune too. Number 15. The cute mute mule drinks pure water and it cures him from the sore. Sekarang kita lanjut ke membaca bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1, bola merah dan biru milik Budi. Nomor 2, bola baru yang abu-abu dan biru. Nomor 3, susu segar yang enak dan sehat. Nomor 4, baju Nina warna biru dan bagus. Nomor 5, buku cerita binatang lucu dan burung sakti. Nomor 6, bola Budi warna abu-abu, merah, dan biru masih baru. Kami masih bisa main bersama. Nomor 7, Budi senang main bola karena bola Budi masih baru dan jumlahnya 3. Nomor 8, Mama minum susu. Nomor 9, Nina punya baju baru yang bagus dan warnanya biru. Nomor 10, Dina suka baca cerita. Binatang lucu, anak pintar, nenek baik, burung sakti, dan si kancil. Nomor 11, badan saya akan sukar seperti Bunda karena saya suka makan. Nomor 12, layar lebar bubar karena harganya tidak murah. Jadi semua sekarang heboh. Nomor 13, Rahma dan Wahyu bahkan suka makan kurma manis. Nomor 14, Ibu pasti beri restu untuk ke pesta kolam pada malam hari. Kami memakai kostum hitam. Nomor 15, lampu mobil Salma gelap. Saya ingin beri dia opsi tetapi takut. Well, my students, that's all for the reading tutorial that you can use to help you to read all the sentences in English and Indonesia. And as usual, don't forget to send your video to our WhatsApp group, okay? So, good luck everyone. Bye-bye.